Hello and welcome to Ledway Media Channel. Today we are going to talk about a fantastic product, the Beginner to ProGrab. This product has been making waves in the world of online shopping, and we're here to dive into why it's so popular. Beginner to ProGrab is a unique tool that has proven effective for many users. It's designed to enhance your shopping experience, making it easier and more efficient. But it's important to note that its effectiveness is based on the experiences of the website and its users. Like any tool, its effectiveness can vary from person to person, and it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Now let's clarify what this product is not. It's not a commercial tool. It's intended for personal use, helping individuals navigate their online shopping journey with ease. So, whether you're a seasoned online shopper or a newbie, this tool can be your ally, making your shopping experience smoother and more enjoyable. But remember, the results experienced by the website and its users are not typical. This means that while some users have found great success, others may not achieve the same results. It's all about how you use the tool and adapt it to your personal shopping habits. Isn't it interesting how a single product can offer so much? But remember, this is not a magic solution. Results may vary, so stay tuned as we delve deeper into the importance of this product in our next segment. You won't want to miss it. Now that we've introduced the product, let's delve into its importance. Picture this, a product that can help elevate your skills from a novice level to professional status. That's what the Beginner to ProGrab promises to offer. It's a tool designed for personal, non-commercial use, meaning it's perfect for individuals who are keen on self-improvement and mastery. This product's value stems from its potential to bring about transformative changes in users. It's not just about the immediate benefits, but also the long-term gains that can come from consistent use. Imagine the satisfaction of reaching new heights in your chosen field, all thanks to a tool that's easy to use and accessible. Now, it's important to remember that while the Beginner to ProGrab has proven effective for many users, the results are not typical. It's all about how you utilize the product and apply it to your unique circumstances. This means your journey may look different from others, but that's the beauty of it. It's a personalized tool that can be tailored to meet your specific needs. It's also worth noting that the Beginner to ProGrab has no affiliation with Google, YouTube, or any company owned by them. It's not endorsed by these tech giants. However, this in no way undermines its value. You see, the effectiveness of a product isn't determined by who endorses it, but by how well it serves its purpose. And based on the feedback from users, the Beginner to ProGrab seems to be doing just that. So don't be swayed by the lack of a Google or YouTube stamp on this product. It's designed to stand on its own merit, delivering results that speak for themselves. Remember, the goal is your growth and development. And if a product can contribute to that, then it's worth considering, regardless of who's behind it. So, while it's not affiliated with big names like Google or YouTube, this doesn't diminish its value or effectiveness. Remember, the most important endorsement a product can get is from its users, and the Beginner to ProGrab has plenty of that. We've learned about the product and its benefits, but where can you get it? Simple, just head to the description box of this YouTube video. There, you'll find a direct link to the product. And the best part, you can access it for free. Yes, you heard it right, absolutely free. We're all about spreading the word and sharing the love here at Ledway Media. So if you found this video helpful, why not hit that subscribe button? Better yet, share this video with your loved ones, family, and friends across all social media platforms. It's a small action that can make a big difference. Remember, subscribing not only helps us, but it also means you'll never miss out on our latest content. And by sharing, you're helping others access the same valuable information. It's a win-win. As we draw to a close, we have one final question for you. Would you like us to recommend more useful resources with super cheaper prices selling on www.stakecut.com? We're always on the lookout for fantastic deals, and we'd love to share our finds with you. So, if that's something you're interested in, let us know in the comments section below. We're excited to hear from you and can't wait to bring you more great content. So stay tuned, keep sharing, and let's create a community of informed, savvy shoppers together. Before we wrap up, we'd like to know, would you like Ledway Media Channel to recommend more useful resources with super cheaper prices selling on www.stakecut.com? Let us know in the comments. And remember, keep sharing our videos so others can access the same valuable content. Stay tuned for more.